Look at that.
I was driving around in old Mexico. I got lost, I didn't know which way to go. I was confused, it was late and I was in a fog. I ran over the Taco Bell dog. I felt that smush and I said, oh mama. My lowrider crushed that little chihuahua. I prayed for forgiveness in a synagogue. I ran over the Taco Bell dog. If I am caught, they will put me in a cell with 20 locks. Unless I can pin it on Jack in the Box. I'll be whipped, then beaten, and then I'll be flogged. I ran over the Taco Bell dog. His last words were, yo quiero el médico. I flattened that pup, to hell I will go. I should have skipped driving and gone for a jog. I ran over the Taco Bell dog. I ran over the Taco Bell dog.
Right. Did they ever pick the wrong guy for this one?
You're bizarre. Guy's a broken record.
Wanna go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Well, forget it.
I'm an ugly girl. My face makes you hurl. Sad I have it. I should bag it. Acne everywhere. Unwanted facial hair. I'm a relation to Frankenstein's creation.
You're so ugly, you disgust me.
I'm a bland, homely girl, all alone in the world. I'm as flat as a board, thin and lanky.
You're a dog and a troll. Were you hit by a train? Don't go near you, cause your breath is skanky.
Don't get touched, I'm afraid. Cause guys say I'm an eyesore. Ooh, I'm an ugly girl.
I'm taking the Holy Story to God.
What?
Grandpa got run over by a beer truck.
Beer truck.
Coming out of Woody's Christmas Day. Grandma got a job out at the brewery. I never knew that she could drive that way. Grandpa was out drinking with the floozies, spending all of Grandma's hard-earned dough. He didn't have enough to pay the bar tab, so Woody tossed him out into the snow. Grandpa stood there frozen in the headlights. He looked just as helpless as a deer. I don't think he was afraid of dying. I think he was afraid he'd spill his beer. Grandpa got run over by a beer truck coming out of Woody's Christmas Day.
Okay. Riku? Oh?
Silly wabbit. I'm too sexy for my hat. Too sexy for my hat. What do you think about that? I'm too sexy for the wabbit. Sexy for the wabbit. The silly widow wabbit. I'm too sexy for your party. Too sexy for your party. No way I'm disco dancing. I'm Elmer Fudd, you know what I mean. And I'm too sexy for the wabbit. For the wabbit, that widow asshole. I'm too sexy for the wabbit. I'm Too sexy for my gun. Too sexy for my gun. Uh-oh.
I said freeze, dirtbag!
Eep.
Ow! Oh, come on!
Supply.